Product overview. Left frame. Right frame. Attach the bottom panel to the left frame using 2 AA screws. Insert the screw into the hole in the bottom panel first. Attach the bottom panel to the right frame using 2 AA screws. Back panel. Attach the back panel to 2 frames using 4 AA screws. Caster without brakes. Screw it into the hole at the bottom of the frame near the back panel side. Assemble the other one with the same manner. Caster with brake. Screw the casters with brakes into the remaining 2 holes. You may adjust the height of the casters with the HH wrench. Beam. Assemble the beam with 2 frames using 4 AA screws. CC and DDS screws. Insert 2 PCS CC screws into the holes in the beam. Screw 2 PCS DD screws into the holes in the bottom panel. Left door. Pass the hole in the bottom of the door through the DD screw. Adjust the CC screw to through the hole in the upper of the door. The magnet sucks the door in when you close it. Right door. Assemble the right door with the same method. Grilled body. Put the grilled body upon 2 frames. Install the grilled body and the frames together with 4 AA screws. Protective packing paperboard. Draw the oil drip tray out. Remove the protective packing paperboard out. Put the oil drip tray back in place. The drip tray is in place when it can be stopped by the rivet. Left and right brackets. Assemble the left bracket to the grilled body using 2 AA screws. Assemble the left bracket with the same method. Step screw. Right side table. Hang the right side table upon the brackets first. Attach the right side table to the brackets with 2 step screws. The side table can be folded by lifting it. Paper towel holder. Attach the paper towel holder to the grilled body using 2 BB screws. You can adjust the paper towel holder flexibly. Bottle opener. Fix the top of the bottle opener to the grilled body with 1 BB screw. Match holder. Insert 1 BB screw through the end of the match holder and fix it to the bottom of the bottle opener. You can place the match holder flexibly. Warming rack. Insert the posts in the warming rack into the holes in the grilled body. Grill heating plate. Place the grill heating plate in the holder. Put the rest plates in place. Cooking grate. For ease of use, make sure the rough side is facing up. Put the 2 pieces of grates in place. Oil drip box. Place the oil drip box along the guide rail of the oil drip tray. Rotate the screw counterclockwise to make space for the gas tank. Place the gas tank. Rotate the screws clockwise to secure the gas tank. Connect and tighten the regulator valve of the hose to the threaded valve of the tank. Lock the caster by turning the brakes counterclockwise. Put the AA battery into the igniter with the plus pole facing outward. Screw the igniter cap in. Press the igniter button in without releasing and turn the control knob counterclockwise. The fire should be lit immediately. After the fire is lit, release the igniter button. Light other burners. The paper towel holder can also serve as a storage rack. Place a roll of paper in the paper towel holder. The grilling accessories can also hang in the hooks of the side table. The grilling knife can insert into the hole in the surface of the side table. To prevent the spillage of beverages, You should use the opener properly like this.